Ooh, I am so happy. Today, I'm going to be showing you the new trailing arms that I got for my 65 Impala and upper control arms. With this kit, I also have a rear panhard rod that's adjustable. So what's really cool about these is they are adjustable. Now, you might be asking yourself, why are they adjustable? Who cares? Why would you need to adjust them? The stock ones aren't adjustable, so what's the big deal? Well, I'll tell you what the big deal is. The deal is adjustability on the upper control arms allow you to rotate the pinion so that you can have the optimal driveline angle. And so that might be really important if you've got a lowered car, or maybe your car is raised up in the back a ton and you need to make that adjustment so that driving at 70 miles an hour, your car isn't wobbling like crazy. So that's why you would need the adjustment. And so you can dial in exactly the right driveline angle from the transmission to the driveline to the rear end differential. So this, for both of these, you can make that adjustment. The other thing that's cool about these is there's these Zerk fittings so that they're greasable, and polyurethane bushings. Going to be a lot less flex than the rubber bushings that were on this to begin with. So besides being a lot stronger, these offer you a ton more adjustability. So I'm really excited. Coil spring mount, and then these guys here are the provisions for mounting the rear sway bar, which I have on my car. So really excited to get these on. This is from UMI Performance. Last but not least, we've got the panhard rod. What this does is goes in between, and you can see it's adjustable here. What this does is it goes between your frame and your differential to basically keep the rear end centered. So one side is on the frame and one side's on the differential, and so as your car goes up and down, it keeps the rear end locked right where it needs to be. So really important part. It's basically serves the same purpose as some of the racers use what's called a Watts link, but this is kind of a rudimentary style there, but it does its job for keeping the rear end. What I'm hoping that all of this stuff does is make the car feel a lot more stable, a lot more controlled, and a lot more reliable through the corners. Now, you might be asking yourself, is that really important on a 65 Impala? No, it's not. Do I race my Impala? No, I don't. Have I put a ton of parts on my car that it probably didn't need? Yeah, that's totally the case, but whatever, that's what happens. The reason that I'm showing you these today is because I've heard a lot of things about them, but I'm really curious to see how they actually affect the feel and the drive of the car. So I'm going to be installing these in the next week or so. I'm going to be taking a video of that, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, and more importantly, I'm going to be taking a follow-up video afterwards when I'm actually driving my car, which is the point. So I'm excited to be able to report back and show you exactly how this feels any different than the stock stuff. Hopefully I'll notice a difference, otherwise money down the drain potentially. Before I get to installing these rear trailing arms, I got to get the shop cleaned up a little bit. I got my dad here to help, so we're going to buzz around and try to get some stuff going, and yeah, before long we're going to be installing these on the 65, and looking forward to it. We'll talk to you guys soon.
What did you just say?
It looked like, I looked at this box, it looked like it says Fart Tech. Fart Tech, but it's actually Fab Tech, but that'd be a good name for some aftermarket equipment. I don't know if anybody would want to buy really good. I don't know though. You might. You like that Harbor Freight stuff. Fart Tech might fit right in. Well, I was just looking around here in this shop. I swear to God, it looks like you got more video equipment out here in a damn TV station. It's supposed to be an auto shop, but look at all this video equipment. I could have got away with white interior. I mean, white paint, white top, white on white, triple white. You've heard of that. Yeah, classy. Yeah, pretty classy. Yeah, actually it looks good, but you got a white car. You've been crying around about, oh, he's copied me. We don't want that. There's one thing you gotta learn when you're doing reality TV. You're not supposed to look at the camera. You're supposed to look out like you're looking into space. That's how they do on reality TV. They don't never look in the camera. That's verboten.
Click like and subscribe and come back for more videos.
Okay.
Go.
So did you like that? Did you like what you saw? If you did, click on subscribe and you'll go right to it. Now I don't know if I forgot what you said. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, say subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Okay. So did you like that? If you did, you just click on like and subscribe and go to our video and you'll see it.
Go to our channel for more videos.
Okay. Let's try it again.